Den was only 7 years old. He thought today would be just another normal day at school, but he had no idea that his new English teacher was hiding an unbelievable secret.
Hi, Ben. Hello. Come sit here. Good morning. Hi, everyone.
The classroom looked peaceful. Everyone was excited to meet a new English teacher. Mr. Carter smiled like an ordinary teacher. No one knew he was living a double life.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Carter.
I am your new English teacher.
Nice to meet you. My name is Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
I like learning English.
That is wonderful. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
Very good. Who knows this word?
I do, Mr. Carter.
Very good, Ben. What does it mean?
It means to greet someone. I like English class. Me too. The new teacher is nice. Yes, he is. Bye, Mr. Carter.
Good job today, class.
See you tomorrow. Thanks, teacher.
You're welcome. See you all tomorrow.
Bye. Let's play soccer. Yes, pass the ball. I am good at this. Watch me. Yay, let's go. Oh no, my ball. Come back. Wait for me.
Den chased his ball without thinking. The narrow alley looked dark and empty.
Where is it? This place is dark. I see it. Just a little more.
3 dangerous men surrounded Mr. Carter. Den wanted to help, but he was too scared to move. His teacher stayed perfectly calm, almost as if he had seen this many times before.
Give us the information! You are finished! Stay back!
No!
Not today.
Impossible!
Stay down!
How did you do that?
Stay down!
You are strong!
Back off! Agent Carter, mission complete. Understood.
Oh no!
Mr. Carter answered a phone call, and during the conversation, Ben realized that his English teacher was actually a secret agent. Ben immediately turned around and ran as Mr. Carter chased after him.
What if he knows? I saw everything. Will he be angry? I must act normal.
Good morning, class.
Good morning!
Ben, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Ben, stay after class today.
What?
I need to talk to you.
Yes, Mr. Carter.